Hi, in this video we will talk about tuples and structures. To download the gist with the code, follow this link. Tuples are a sequence of elements that can be accessed through an index or a position. The most common tuples is a pair that contains two elements. Have a look on this now. So here I define a tuple that is a pair, a position in 2D, and if I want 3D, I just define one element more, and now I have a position in 3D. So the next step is, can I destructure a tuple? The answer is yes. Let's see how to do that. So here I show you how to destructure a tuple in three parts. I can ignore, for example, here the third element with an underscore z, and then on the next line, for example, I can extract only z from a specific position. Now let's see records or structures. So record or structure are the same like you have object in JavaScript. Let's define one type. So here I define a type that is a structure that's two fields. First one is ID of type natural, and the second is name of type string. Then I declare a variable that is a constant Alice of type user with ID equal 1 and name equal Alice. To access one field on the structure is very easy. You just access it with your variable dot the name of the field. To destructure a structure is possible. You have to open the brackets and put the name of the field, and you will automatically get the values that you have in your object. To update a field is not so easy. Let's see how to do that. So as you can see here, it's not possible to do this kind of operation. So we have to pass to what we call functional updates in JavaScript. We will copy the structure of an object, and then we will modify one or several of its fields. So here we copy the object Alice and we change the field name to Bob. That's the way to do it. Can we compare objects one by one? Yes, it's possible. It's a comparison field by field of the values. Thank you for watching and see you next time.